Today I am so flippin' excited because I got a brand new camera. It's the Sony ZV-E10 II. And I have wanted this camera for so long and I finally got it. I think it's about time that I invest in myself, I invest in this channel. So let's get into it. We're going to do the unboxing. Here it is. Just kidding. I'm not gonna do an ASMR video, but I am going to unbox it. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, I'm like so excited. Okay, here we go, here we go. So I'm opening my camera. First we have the paperwork. And then I have the camera strap. And I have this. Hold on. What is this? Oh, it's so cute. Look, it's the little wind puff. This is so cute. So this is for, you put it on top of the camera, on top of the microphone. And if you're outside filming and it's windy, then it helps to cut out the wind noise, so your audio sounds better. So that's that. He's so cute. And then I have something else. This looks like the battery. There it is. It's the battery. And then let's see. I don't see anything else in here except the camera. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, so let's get the camera out. Look. Oh. Okay. Here it is. Let me put the box over here. Okay. Here is. Oh my God, you guys, here's the camera. It. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Look. Oh my gosh, I just love this so much. So we're gonna turn this on and see if it works. I was watching other unboxing videos and when they tried to turn it on, it did not work. The battery was completely dead, so they had to charge it. I don't know if this one is going to work. I really hope it does. But if not, we'll just have to charge it. So let's try it. You put the battery in here at the bottom. And once it's in, it should click. So, I don't think that's right. Okay, let me try it this way. I think it goes in like this, maybe? Okay, yeah, so, oh, it clicked. So it's in, yay. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on. I really, really hope it works. Please let it work. I just wanna use the camera. I'm like so excited. I just wanna set everything up. And let's see. So you turn it on here at the top. You just slide the little button to the on position. And nothing. Okay, so it did not turn on. And there was no charger in the box that I saw. Sony, why would there not be a charger? That doesn't make any sense. Come on, Sony. Why didn't you put a charger in here? So while that's charging, I will show you some more accessories that I got. I got this red case. I'm going with the red and black theme for this camera. I just love it. It's so pretty in red. And I also got some screen protectors to go with it because I am so clumsy. I'm always dropping things, drop my phone like all the time. So I don't want to drop the camera. That would be bad. So I got that. I got some SD cards. I already opened one because I wanted it to be ready to go, but yeah, I got some SD cards here. And then I got this Ulanzi Light. I thought that would be fun just to put it on the camera if I'm on the go and I need some extra light. I can use that, and it's really cool because it has different colors. And I got a lens. So I got the kit lens, but I also wanted a lens where I can get the blurry background. So that's why I got this lens. It's a Sigma 23mm f1.4 lens. So that will allow me to film a darker room or in a low light situation. And also I will be able to get the blurry background, that blurry, dreamy background that I love. And then I also got the creator kit. So it comes with this selfie tripod that can connect to the camera and also a microphone. Okay, so I'm gonna see if this will turn on. It works. It's on, it's on, yes. Look at that. This looks so good. I love this. Oh my gosh. You guys. I love this. Oh my gosh. So I have this red case. I'm so excited. This is gonna look so good. Oh wait, did this come with the screen protectors? You guys, like this, I bought these glass screen protectors, but I just noticed that they actually came with this cover, so I really didn't need to buy them after all. So we'll do step one. So step one is to use this little wet wipe. That wasn't very wet. And then step two is this little dry towel. If the wet one was dry, does that mean the dry one's gonna be wet? Okay, I gotta open it there. Get it good and clean. There. And then it has, oh, the little dust absorber. So get the dust off. This is so relaxing. I could literally just do this all day long. I'm going to put this on. These are really hard for me to put on. Wish me luck. I always have trouble getting it in the right spot. Please work, please. Yes. Yes, yes, I got it on, I got it on. This is seriously like a miracle. I never get it on the first try like that, but it is perfect. There are no bubbles in it. I'm gonna put the case on. Oh, I love this. Let's see. Wait, is this right? How do I put this on? So the screen protector was pretty easy to get on. This one is harder. Oh, okay. I think I've got it on there good. Wow, okay, it seems to fit. Oh, I love it so much. Look, it's red. Oh my gosh. I love this. Look at it. This is perfect. Absolutely perfect. I am in love with this camera. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on again. Wow. I love this. This looks so cute. Look at this. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh. It keeps reminding me, you don't have a memory card in there, but I know that. I think this is super cute. How do I get this off? Oh, yeah, so You just slide it out. Slide it in, slide it out. That's how that goes. So now we're gonna put on the light. This light is Ulanzi brand on Amazon. I will put the links in the description so you can check out everything that I bought. So I have this on. I'm gonna put the memory card in. So the memory card actually goes on the side here. I like that it goes on the side because if you have this on the tripod and you need to swap out memory cards, it's so much easier just to swap it out from the side. I have the memory card in. I'm gonna see, will it let me record now? I'm gonna try it. Okay. So I put this case on and like now I can't find the record button, but I think this is it. Oh my gosh, it's recording. Look at this. This looks amazing. Oh my God. Wow. I'm gonna turn the light on. Okay. Oh my God. Look how red. Look how red this is. I love this. This is perfect. Now, obviously, I will not film with it red like this on my face, but this is perfect for like mood lighting, or I can turn the settings on where it's not red. Let's see. Oh, there we go. There. I know that's bright, but I like that. Oh my gosh, you guys, like, I love this. This looks so good. I love it. I really like this. I cannot believe, like, I'm like so happy. Now, I realized I was moving this camera like way too much. I know I shouldn't be just like waving my arm around, but I'm just like so excited. I cannot help it. I have the creator kit. I was trying to go as long as I could without having to use an extra light. Let me have some Dr. Pepper. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by Dr. Pepper, but it could be. I just happen to be their #1 fan, and this is my favorite drink. If you're out there, Dr. Pepper. So this is the tripod. It came with a creator kit. And oh, this is nice. Look at this. It comes all wrapped up. Wow. Okay. Whoa. It has this little bag that you can carry it in. Now I have to figure out how to set this up. I have the tripod. I'm going to put everything on. It has this thing right here that you just twist. That was easy. How does that look? Oh, I like that. I want to put the light back on. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, I love this. Like, I am officially a YouTuber.
Te quiero decir, te elijo a ti. Si me dan a elegir, te elijo a ti. Para poder vivir, te elijo a ti. Es lo que me hace sentir.